I noticed that every time we do a live ni Kuya Ed TV, majority of our audience are mostly male, mostly adults. And every time Kuya Ed TV is doing a very, very powerful speech, although marami po mga OFW and the women are very, very much moved, there is a big impact sa mga male audience namin. I also noticed that these impacts also had the same charismatic vibe with General Metra and Captain Dado. Although magkakasama po sila, tatlo, they also have this charismatic impact like the traditional males na katulad nila Clint Eastwood at ni James Bond. I'm not saying that, oh, we have to have lots and lots of harems of women. No, 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 no. But the way that they carry a conversation is like you are going back in time with the traditional masculinity. When Kuya Ed is carrying a conversation, it's like you're going back in time when men were men and they say what they need to say sa sitwasyon na yan. Not what they want to say, what they need to say. What do you think, guys? Is Kuya Ed TV, General Metran, and Captain Dado bringing back the old traditional male masculinity or what? Sa akin lang po to, opinion. What do you think, guys? Siyempre, iba pa rin po pag DDS. Kay DDS is DDS talaga. But the way that they are carrying a conversation is like you are looking at a father figure that you aspire to want. A leader or a guide. A father figure or a wise mentor. What do you think, guys? Please give a comment down below, guys.